Kid, this one's for Gabby.
Hey, you. What you looking at, man? Huh? That's right. The name is Vaipuna, Kavai Kai Afako Lavi. And you looking at the man here, y'all, the big dog. Arr, arr. I'm here to represent my story. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing hanging on a string and blowing in the wind. And I know you want to see my ding-a-lang. But that's alright, that's the next story. I'm here to represent my island. I'm from the biggest island in the world, y'all. And it's called Samoa. What you know about that? That's right. Samoa is the most beautiful island you'll ever see. Check it out. That's right there. Nothing but pristine mountains, crystal clear waters. You know, and everybody lives off the land. We go fishing. We go looking for fish, you know, small fish, big fish, little fish, fat fish. We got a lot of fat fish, but, you know, that's another story, too. You know, and we dive up in the ocean. We live off the land. We eat taro. You know, but now and then we go to Kentucky or McDonald's. But, you know, that's how we live. You know, but we in Samoa, we live hard. You know, and we represent. So when you step to me, bam, you better step to me correct, because I'm hard, y'all. Yeah, check that out. Check that out. That's me right there, man. You know, I don't play. I'll come at you anyway, because we gangsters up in Samoa. You think you gangster up in L.A. or whatever? Nah. We representing Samoa. We gangster too. You know, that's me right there. I got my hood on. You know, just stretched out, ready to get down. You know what I'm saying? You know, because I'll blow you away, you know. With my little 4.4 water gun. Yeah. My daddy gave me that. You know, and I protect mine. That's right. You know, but I want to show you where I was born. You know, back there in the woods, in the Leva Savai. Yeah, that's where a nigga was born. You see that beautiful moon in the sky? That's my pops right there. He just came home from fishing. It looked like he ain't got a damn thing, but that's alright. That's my little cousin swimming in the ocean. You know, in all the dark waters. It makes you so romantic. Yeah, but what you don't see is all the damn trash that's all over the place. But, you know, that's alright. You ain't got to know that. Just know that we are live up in there, kicking homo style. You know? And I'm a loving person, you know? I ain't got nothing but love for everybody. You know? And that's, yeah, right there, you see? I got 100% love for you. You know, you come correct with me, you know, I'll handle you. I'll take care of you. Hey, if you fuck with me, I will fuck you up with my bat. Because my mama gave me this big old orange bat right here. And she told me, you know, don't play with that. Whoever fuck with you, fuck him up. You know, bat his ass. Bat his ass. That's why. But, you know, I got to keep it cool, though, because my mom's be watching me. Yeah, that's my mom's right there, y'all. Yeah. You see a nigga eyeballing the moms, you know, because she be whooping them nigga ass. You know, she be whooping my ass because I be stepping out of line a lot. I be trying to bat niggas, you know what I'm saying? Anybody come around my house, I be trying to bat them. But that's me, you know, I got to put on that good boy look when my mom's around. You know, that's why I got to put on this little Elmo thing. You know, you see me over here, got my little cute smile on, my little hair parted to the side. You know, and I got little Elmo here. Motherfucking Elmo. That's my nigga Elmo right there. If I ever see Elmo anywhere, I'ma whoop his ass. Cause I'm tired of wearing these Elmo damn shirts. Yeah, you just wait until I blow up, you know. I'ma represent mine, you know what I'm saying? You know, but yeah, let's go over here and look at my dad's real quick. You know, he over here, he just finished putting on all his tats, you know. Man, I'm gonna be just like my dad. I'm gonna hook up a tat for me. Bam! That's my dad's right there. Got all them tats. Psych. My dad ain't got no tats like that, man. That'd be too painful for him. He a little bit too big boned, you know, and it'll take too long to get all them tats up in his ass. But that's alright. He's cool though. That's my pops. He's a man. He's the man of the house, the master of the plan, the captain of the ship. I follow my night, you know what I'm saying? Now, that's me and my dad's right there. We at Waikiki Beach, representing. You know, getting our swim on. You know, and be looking at the honeys walking by, them bitches. But I can't say. No, I can't say the B word because my mom was mad. You know, because you ain't allowed to say bitch. You know, because bitch is for a female dog. You know, and I can't say bitch. But that's alright. My dad can say bitch. Because, you know, he old enough. You know, he grown folk. He can say bitch. But me, no, I can't. So, you know, but that's all it, though. You know, I got to go get my swim on. Maybe get some fishes. You know, get some octopus. Octopus and some eels and, you know, whatever the fuck fish you got up in there in the Waikiki ass. You know, but, you know, I got to go. But, you know, let me share with you some another picture of me and my pops, you know. Yeah, that's me and my pops right there. We getting ready to get our groove on. You know, we hooking up our style. We about to go out and play in McDonald's. That's as far as our groove goes, and our ass gonna come back home. But, you know, that's my story, you know. Until the next time, you ain't got nothing until you got family, you know what I'm saying? Represent. Peace. I'm out. And if you don't like it, you can get the fuck out. Oh, hey.